friend's place. She works at a bakery. And she took me a bread. I have paid for it, so no worries. But she put it in the freezer because it's already a week and a half ago. So I'm on my way there now. Working this morning on some intros, some outros. Little bit of Halloween touch in it. I hope you like it. So, aren't you bitch that doesn't watch it? See you in a bit. First we're walking through heads. Costumes. More costumes. Even more costumes. More costumes. Another row of costumes all the way to the back. Who's this? Spider-Man. Lots of costumes, nothing but. Okay, everybody. Small weather report in between. Weather is around 15-16 degrees Celsius. So I guess that's around 49 or something degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know. But it's pretty darn good for this time of year. Last night it rained, I think, because in some places the ground is still wet. But that's about it. So I'd like to say later, peace out, and bye bye.